Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at how to sign up with Whautomate. Once you get to whautomate.com, you should find a call to action, get started now. You can click on that. It should redirect you to the sign up page. Here you can put in your business details and the login information. I'm going to fill in the form. Okay, now that I've filled in the form and I agree to the terms and privacy policy, I can click on the register button. Okay, now I need to create a location. Whautomate is a platform where you can manage multiple locations under one business. Let's say, for example, if your business has multiple branches, this is an option for you to add as many locations as you want within one single account. Now I'm going to create a location. And I have to select the category. I'm going to choose professional services. And once I fill in all the details, I can click on the create location. Whautomate platform would also have sent me a verification email, which I need to verify to confirm that I'm using a legitimate email address as such. And also I have 13 more days of free trial left to try out the platform. You would have received an email like this with a call to action called verify. Please click on this link to verify your email address. Once your email verification is done, your registration process is complete. Follow along to set up the other parts of Whautomate platform. Thank you.